What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Crypto Babe, Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we're here to talk about how to earn daily paid income. If you haven't checked out this program, go to the link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, well, we show you how to follow a few simple steps to start earning daily pay 100% commissions in your pocket. All right, so my thumbnail says what exactly, right? We want to show you how, with a busy schedule, right? Hang on one second. Let me get this phone on. All right, on silent there. All right, so I want to show you how to make daily pay around a busy lifestyle, a busy schedule. Like, hey, I'm working 2 jobs. Hey, I'm busy. I got a full plate. You know the routine, right? You know, where everybody thinks, well, I can't do one more thing. I am just stacked. I'm so busy, I don't have time to start a business. When am I going to fit that in? How long is that going to take? What do I have to do? Right? So, if I could show you that, would you be interested? Come in close, right? Stay tuned. So, want to show you that we have a almost 3-year proven blueprint. It includes what? Short daily action videos for you to watch, guys. Very short. I mean, it could be 3 minutes to 5 to 10 minutes, right? Where you're just going to log in. You're going to go to the community, because that's the other thing. I'm going to add you into the community. All right? That's going to show you what you need to do. But you're going to have short daily action videos for you to learn from and apply from that into your 2-hour workday. All right? So we're going to be able to show you how to earn daily pay with a 2-hour workday. Okay? Now, we're going to show you how to get all your income producing activities done within those 2 hours. It could be 30 minutes here, 15 here, 1 hour here. You decide how you want to arrange it. But we're going to give you the steps, and it's only going to be a 2-hour time frame. Okay, you don't have to do all the activities within just straight 2 hours. Break it up however you need to do it, but it can be done. Okay, we've got thousands of people that have done it. We have a lady that, I mean, her story is so amazing, but she was working 2 jobs, 70 hours. Okay, hear me clearly. So if she can do it, you guys can do it if you want to do it. Okay, of course you got to believe and you got to take action. But she was working 2 jobs, working 70 hours a week. She found time to fit it in, guys, and she no longer worked those 2 jobs. She quit both of those within 10 weeks. This is a real testimony, okay? Real deal. All right, so that's why I'm saying it can be done. You just have to fit it in where you can. 10 here, 15 here, 20 here, whatever it takes. But we're going to give you the blueprint. That's the bottom line. It can be done because we're going to give you the blueprint. Okay, so that's one thing we're going to do. Give you the blueprint, and then we're going to give you access to our thriving community of like-minded digital marketers, just like you and I, everyday people from all walks of life, all age groups. You don't have to be technical, so you can throw all this out the window. I'm too old. Throw that out the window. I'm not technical. Throw that out the window. Am I going to have support once I sign up? That's what the thriving community is going to come into play, guys, because when you have people that support you, you can get your questions answered. We have weekly live calls. You see other people like you, people that may have some of the same struggles as you, and they're doing it as well, right? But that's what's going to keep you in the game, because if you don't have the support, that's where most people just quit and they fall to the wayside, right? They just say, hey, forget it. It's not for me. You're different. No, it's the same play. Okay, everybody's got the same blueprint. It's just, are you going to apply the information? Okay, so with you having the support, this is what's going to help you through those times to keep you from quitting. That's key. That's very important. I've seen it over and over. So that's why I decided to get into this group and bring people along with me. This is going to be free for you. You're not going to have to pay for this. So free access to this group. This is outside of you buying your digital product. You've got to buy your digital product. We've got 4 of those. Okay. You're going to buy your digital product. We're going to give you the blueprint step by step. We're going to show you what you need to do, and you can do it all within a 2-hour work day. Okay. Guess what else you're going to get? The free sales funnel, the free marketing system. That's free. So all you're going to pay for is your digital products. There's no monthly fees. You don't have to pay for ads. You know, that's an option for people that want to do that, but you don't have to, because we're going to show you the free methods to get leads and sales. All right. So you got your daily income producing activities you got to do. We give you a daily schedule as far as what you need to do with the daily videos. We're giving you access to a community over 6,000 people. Okay, that's the other thing. You get a free sales funnel. Right, you got everything right here you're gonna need on a day-to-day basis, as well as the weekly live calls where you can get your questions answered. If you can't get on them, guess what? They're recorded so that you can go back and reference those. Right? Say you missed it. You say, hey, you can go back and listen to it, or you just go back. Because there's ones that I've gone back and said, oh, I remember this the other day. Let me go back to that one. It's recorded in the community. Okay? So we've got everything you need here. So let's take a look. Again, the proof is in the pudding. I've shown you guys over and over. I've been in this program since 2021. So I've shown you proof, and I continue to show you proof. But let's look at some of the folks in the group. And we're talking new. Hey, I'm new. So let's take a look at that. Hold on one second. Let's go there. All right, I'm just going to scan through this just a little bit. I put the word new in, right, in the community. And look at this. Hey, I'm happy to be here and to learn new things, of course, make some money. Hey, new community. I'm dropping in to say hi. All right. And then, hey, I'm new. I'm extremely excited for this new venture and opportunity. Trying this new and still learning. New beginnings. Just getting started. Hoping to reach new heights in my goals in the business. Hey, I'm a teacher. In the process, starting my new podcast. I'm super excited for what's to come. I mean, all these posts, guys. There's 1,000. When I put new in, I got 1,000 different posts that came up. Okay? So you're in business for yourself, but you're not by yourself. See, that's the thing. I've seen this over and over and over again, because I've joined numerous opportunities, right, in my years as a digital marketer, signed lots and lots of people up. We have our one-on-one. I'm always here for one-on-one support. So I'm always here as a sponsor if you join my link. And we can tell you what to do, right? We're one-on-one. But if people don't have that community, that's what they're lacking. So they can go in and see and be inspired and be encouraged, okay, from their peers to keep them going. That's why a community is imperative, I believe, especially for a newbie, okay, because you haven't built that confidence quite up yet, okay, that belief that you can do it. You think in your mind, oh, it's just them. They got, they're popular. But the blueprint is the same for all of us. It's no different. It's just taking action, stay dedicated in it. That's it, the drive. You got to have that drive. So with the community, it's going to keep you in the game. All right? So you're going to have access to that. All right, guys? So this is what we got. Recap. You got access to all the pre-recorded lives. You're going to get weekly coaching calls, live calls. You get access to the membership and training. We've got action plans for you, a daily action video that you're just going to go into the community. That's separate than this digital products you're going to get over here. That's in addition to. Okay, that's the great value of it all. That's why I decided to upgrade, because I knew I'd be able to offer you guys, especially for my new people, a community. Okay, and that's going to keep you going, to be able to go in here and see people make posts, stay-at-home moms, stay-at-home dads, okay, and they're posting, or entrepreneurs, you know, everybody, people that's working, everybody is in this, whether you're a 9-to-5 person, you're working, an entrepreneur. We got people with brick and mortar businesses in the community. They purchase the training because they want to apply this training to their business. So you don't even have to be in this program or promoting the program. It's people that just buy the training because it's universal. They can apply it to their business. All right. So we've got our Q&A sessions. Like I said, when we have these live calls, you're able to get on there and get your questions answered. If you're not able to get on, guess what? It's recorded. You can go back and listen to it, and then you can come back, ask questions to the community, or click on Classroom, type your information, the topic you're looking for, and it's going to pull up hundreds of different posts in reference to that topic. All right, so you got your live coaching sessions. All right, and then of course you got the resale rights for your product. So when you share this with others, they sign up. Of course, you're going to make 100% profit commissions. We've got 4 products: $50, $150, $300, and $600. All right, guys. Your website is $39 for the first 3, and it's $59 for the $600. But you can have it all and go all in for $659. A business in a box total. All right. And one of the trainings, the $600 training, the premium, it teaches you how to create your own digital products. How about that? There's a lot of people that want to create their own. So that's what it gives you. All right. So we've got everything that you need. So for a person that says, hey, I'm busy, I got a busy lifestyle, how am I going to fit in? How to start an online business? We got you covered, guys. But you got to believe you can do it, because thousands have already done it. So it's proven. All right, guys. So go check it out. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Check this out. Now, for everybody, as I mentioned earlier, that purchased the digital products from me, whether it's the $50, $150, $300, or $600 product, you're going to be added in the community for free, because this actually is a subscription to be a part of this community, guys. $47 a month. Okay, but because you're purchasing the digital products from me, you get in for free. And then when people purchase the digital products from you, you'll be able to invite them as well for free. But there are people that have gotten into the program, the community, because they want to utilize what we have here in the community and apply it to their brick and mortar or their business that has nothing to do with the program we're promoting. So I'll put that link in the description if you're interested. It is $47 a month to be a part of this community, okay, if you don't purchase the digital products. All right, and I saw where someone actually got started last evening. They signed up because they want to use this for their business. All right, so I'll put the link in the description, as well as the marketing system that we're using to promote this program. Matter of fact, let me see. Am I logged in? All right, hold on one. All right, so I'll put the link in the description. Yes, here's the system. So I've got now 141 leads into my system. All right, guys, System IO. So I'll put that link in the description for you to check out as well if you're interested in a marketing system to promote your business. However, you'll get it for free if you sign up. You purchase the digital products from me, you get access to the community for free, and you'll get this system for free. Okay, but they do have a free version too. They have a free version that you can start out with. Okay, so go check it out. The marketing system we use. Link is in the description. All right, guys. Okay, so if you have a busy life and you want to know how to fit in, how to make daily pay, what the steps are, how we can help you with that, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.